In front of me here I have a five-way DC splitter cable, okay? So if we look at this cable here, we can see on this end here we have a 2.1mm DC socket, and on the output side we have five 2.1mm jacks here, okay? So the idea of this is to take power from a single power unit and distribute it to up to five different DVR and cameras, okay? So that'd be the normal way in it. Now the reason that the five-way unit here is, it proves very popular, that if we look here at the DVR here, far and away the most common DVR in use, and that we sell anyway, will be a four-way DVR. So it has a requirement for a power input for the DVR plus four cameras, hence the need for a five-way cable such as we have here. So by using this, we can get a single power unit to power the DVR and all the cameras. So how does this work? Like, is the power unit capable of doing it? Well, if we look, let's say, at the four-way DVR that we have here, if we look at the specifications on it, the output on it is 12 volts and 3 amps. So this is far greater than the power requirement of the actual DVR itself. And most cameras have a power requirement of only 300 milliamps or less. So it means that the normal standard power unit like this is well capable of powering both a DVR and also up to four cameras. So what we've done in this demonstration is we have a power unit that's running powering this DVR, and you can see the four outputs here, but we've no cameras connected. So what we have in the loop currently is we have a five-way cable. So we have one output here being used for the DVR and the other four are here, okay? So what I'm going to do here at this point is I'm actually just going to stand up and I'm just going to, this here is the input, power input for the actual cameras that we're using here. So what we're going to try to do is just slide this in here. We can see as smoothly as that, it's now powering the camera. So we can have up to five cameras, or up to four cameras on the DVR working at this. So we can obviously use these other ports here just to connect on to the extra cameras. So is there alternatives to this? Well, inside the DC cable splitter range that we have a four-way, which proves to be very popular as well, okay? And it can prove popular simply because often people might have the power units for the cameras in different locations. So they might have two or three cameras together and just want to use this, but it can power up to four. Or also then, if we had a large number of cameras in a very powerful power unit, say a 5 amp power unit, something like that, we can actually use something like this 8-way that we can see here, okay? So that's inside the range, but probably the most popular would be selling would be either the 4 or the 5-way, simply because they prove to be so useful. So that's it anyway, an overview of the 5-way DC power splitting cables that are available on the tvtrade.ie website.